The hidden messages in 3D hole illusions. Decoded. At first glance, it's just art, but look closer, and you might uncover encrypted secrets. You've seen them. Those mesmerizing 3D illusions that seem to pop out from the page. But what if I told you there's more lurking beneath the surface? In the 1990s, magic eye images became a global sensation. People would stare, cross their eyes, and suddenly hidden images would emerge. But here's the kicker. Some of these images contained concealed messages, visible only to those who knew how to look. Fast forward to today. Artists are pushing boundaries, embedding intricate designs and even subliminal messages within their 3D creations. Take, for instance, this stereogram. At first, it appears as a random pattern, but with the right focus, a hidden word or image springs to life. But why hide messages in art? Some theorists suggest it's a form of covert communication, allowing artists to express controversial ideas without overt exposure. Others believe it's a playful challenge, engaging viewers to look beyond the obvious. So, the next time you encounter a 3D illusion, take a moment. Adjust your focus. You might just uncover a hidden world, crafted meticulously by the artist, waiting for your discovery.